Hello everyone, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the cooling load calculation by using thumb rule. So let's start. So here you have to remember, now what is the main purpose of thumb rule in heat load calculation? So the purpose of thumb rules in heat load calculation is to provide a quick approximate method to estimate the cooling or heating load of a space when detailed data and tools are unavailable. Okay. So they are particularly useful during the initial planning stage of a project, feasibility studies, or for smaller and less complex spaces. By using the thumb rule, you can easily calculate the heating and cooling load. So here the thumb rule is given. For example, if you are calculating the heating and cooling load for residential building, so see the cooling load TR, ton of refrigeration, is equal to area of that space in a square meter into, here you have to use the cooling factor 0.06, their unit is TR per square meter. Okay, and for commercial building, the cooling load is equal to space of area of that space in square meter into cooling factor value 0.07. And for industrial building, generally the formula is same, only here the cooling factor you have to use 0.08 TR per square meter. Okay, and now once if you have calculated the cooling load value in TR, now you want to find out the supply air CFM. So here we have a thumb rule for that also. 1 TR is equal to near about 400 CFM, cubic feet per minute. Now what are the benefits of using thumb rule in heating and cooling load calculation? So first benefit, it is time saving. Okay, because this will allow for rapid estimation without detailed inputs or softwares. Second, it's help in early stage decision making and budget estimation, and it also provides a starting point for more accurate manual or software based calculation. Okay, so here you have to remember, for precise design always you have to follow the detailed method like the ASHRAE handbook guideline, or you can use the tools such as HAP software, Trace 700 software, or Revit you can use to perform the heating and cooling calculation for precise design. Thumb rule is only, I have explained you why we are using, is only provide the quick approximate method to estimate the cooling or heating load of a space. Okay, when suppose the detailed data and tools are not available, on that time you can use this thumb rule. So now we'll take one question. See, in this question what we need to calculate the supply air CFM value in which unit? CFM. CFM means cubic feet per minute, and ton of refrigeration for the bedroom. Suppose here we have one bedroom whose area is given 15 feet by 10 feet. Okay, like this. Now first thing what you have to do, if you want to use the thumb rule to calculate the TR and CFM, so simply first calculate the area of this bedroom in square meter, because in formula we have to substitute the area of space in square meter. So area in the first step when we have calculated, we have got 15 into 10 means 150 square feet. Now convert this square feet in square meter. So all of you know that 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. So now if you want to convert the square feet into square meter, just divide by 10.76. So near about we'll get the area of this bedroom is 13.94 square meter. So once if you have calculated the area, now by using the thumb rule, we know that bedroom is what? It will comes under residential application, commercial or industrial. All of you know residential, commercial or what? So as per that you have to use the formula here. Okay, so here by using thumb rule to find out the cooling load or value in TR, formula is area of that space in square meter into cooling factor value 0.07. So when you substitute the area So you will get near about 0.975, means the TR, here the capacity means the cooling load value which we have calculated is 1 TR. Same way if you want to calculate the supply air CFM value, so we know that as per thumb rule 1 TR is equal to 400 CFM. Just you can easily calculate the airflow, 1 into 400. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate the cooling load and supply air CFM value as per thumb rule. Same way we'll take one more question. See, in the next question what we have to do, here also we need to calculate the CFM, supply air CFM value and TR for the hall having area 7.5 meter into 5.5 meter. So as I told you, the first step is always to calculate the area in square meter. So here already the value is given in meter, means the width and length and width of room in meter. So when you calculate, you will get the area in square meter, 41.25 square meter, correct? So once if you have calculated the area, now by using the thumb rule, you can use the formula here. TR is equal to area in square meter into 0.07. Okay. As per different application, again I am repeating, for residential application we have a different cooling load factor value, cooling factor value. For commercial we have a different cooling factor value, and for industrial we have different cooling factor value. So as per so here we are designing for hall, so cooling factor value I have considered 0.07. So when you substitute the value, finally you will get the cooling load near about 3.3 TR. Okay. Now if you want the supply air value, means supply air CFM value, so use the thumb rule. 1 TR, we know that 1 TR is equal to 400 CFM. So here in our question the cooling load value which we have got is 3.3 TR. So if you want to convert this in CFM, so what you have to do, 3.3 into 400, so you will get the air supply air flow rate value 1320 cubic feet per minute. So this is all about the heat load calculation by using thumb rule. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.